Hi, this is Jeff Huddleston with the Tennessee State Fire Marshal's Office. And this is interpreter Stacy Webb. This video is to inform residents about the installation of the Lifetone alarm for the deaf and hard of hearing. The special features of this alarm are that it has a bed shaker device, as well as a low tone audible alarm for anyone that is hard of hearing. It also visually displays the word fire during an activation. While this is intended as a life safety device, it can also be used as an everyday alarm clock. The alarm is pretty simple to operate, but don't misunderstand, this is not a smoke detector alarm. It does not sense smoke. This alarm is activated by the sound of a regular smoke alarm. It simply plugs in to a wall outlet, but also has a battery backup that will last 7 days in the event of a power outage. These batteries need to be changed once a year. One of the first things before installation of the Lifetone alarm is to check your existing smoke alarms, and if they need to be replaced, or if you don't have any, we need to correct that problem first. Regular smoke alarms should be placed in every sleeping area, as well as one on every level of your home just outside the bedrooms. These alarms should be tested once a month and have their batteries changed twice a year. A brief setup is required for the Lifetone alarm, which only takes a few minutes. And while the first responders are doing that, we're going to go over a few safety tips. A few things to consider in the event of an alarm activation. Do you have and practice an escape plan for your family? Do you have at least 2 clear exits from each room in your home? Make sure you have a safe meeting place outside your home. And never go back inside a burning building for any reason. For more fire safety tips, please contact your local fire department or the State Fire Marshal's Office.